Why does the May jobs report matter as inflation rises? 2026. May jobs report comes as inflation squeezes economy. The latest data reveals a surprising resilience in U.S. hiring even as inflation pressures mount. You need to know how this impacts your paycheck and the overall economy right now. The U.S. economy created 172,000 new jobs in May, a number that exceeded economists' forecasts. Despite ongoing inflation and a worsening energy crisis linked to the war with Iran, the labor market showed impressive strength. The unemployment rate held steady at 4.3%, signaling that hiring remains steady even under economic stress. This resilience suggests businesses are still confident enough to hire amid uncertainty. The manufacturing sector outperformed expectations by adding 7,000 jobs in May, more than triple the 2,000 jobs economists predicted. This growth is notable given the energy costs inflation is driving, which typically weighs heavily on manufacturing. It suggests some industries are adapting or finding demand despite higher input prices, offering a bright spot in an otherwise challenging environment. While the labor market remains strong, inflation is intensifying pressures on consumers and companies alike. The Federal Reserve has expressed growing concern about persistently elevated inflation levels. Beth Hammack, president of the Cleveland Fed, warned that if current trends continue, policy actions to address inflation risks may soon become necessary. This puts the economy at a crossroads between supporting growth and controlling rising prices. Federal Reserve officials are closely monitoring the balance between steady job creation and inflation risks. The strong May jobs report may delay aggressive rate hikes, but rising energy costs and inflation could force the Fed to act soon. This uncertainty adds volatility to markets and could impact borrowing costs, consumer spending, and overall economic growth going forward. For everyday Americans, the strong May jobs report is good news for job seekers and employees hoping for steady income. However, the ongoing inflation squeeze means your cost of living may continue to rise, especially with energy prices climbing. Keep an eye on Fed policies and market signals, as these will influence mortgage rates, loan costs, and prices at the store. Staying informed is key to navigating this tricky economic moment. The May jobs report shows the U.S. economy is standing firm despite inflation and energy crises. But rising prices and Fed warnings mean your paycheck might not stretch as far soon. Stay alert to inflation trends and Fed moves to protect your finances. Hit subscribe for daily updates so you're never caught off guard by the economy.